Good morning, children. Welcome back to our EVS class. We were running with the chapter Nandita in Mumbai. So, children, in the last video, we have shared many things about Nandita and her experience. Yes, what the Nandita observed about the big city Mumbai and why she is there in Mumbai, we came to know in the last video. So, I am just taking a quick revision of the paragraphs that we have already explained or we have done. So, in this video, we are going to come across many things that Nandita has observed. Like she observed that in big cities, people are having apartments, people are having the facility of water and of course the toilets, but few the people who are living in the slum areas, they are facing many problems and many difficulties regarding the water and the toilet facilities. So, children, let's have a quick revision of the starting part of the chapter, the very first part of the chapter. So, Nandita came to Mumbai a month ago, and why she is there in Mumbai? Because her mother is not at all well and she has to take the treatment in the hospital. So, Nandita is there in Mama's city. The city name is Mumbai, for the treatment of her mother. So, when she get down from the train, the platform of Mumbai railway station was really very crowded, and Nandita was very scared why people are roaming here and there. It is fully crowded. But she was get very much relaxed when she saw his mama, that mama is there in the station for picking them up to his own house. While on the way also, Nandita observed many things, that it is all overcrowded, the traffic jams, the signals were there, the jams are there. So it's a big city, Mumbai. And when she reached to the mama's house, she observed that in one room there is a toilet, there is a kitchen, there is a bathroom, and even the sleeping area is also there. And here she compares his village to the city room, that they are having the cooking room or the kitchen separate. They are having the one room, but everything is separated. The bathroom is separate, the cooking area is separate in the village. Next point that we have shared was about water and water. Nandita observed that Mami and her daughter used to take water. For the water arrangement, they used to get up early in the morning at 4 o'clock with the buckets and all the bins that they have to fill. And there near the water tap, the queue is there. बहुत लंबी लाइन लगती है, सब लोग वहाँ पर पहले पहुँच जाते हैं और चाहते हैं कि सबको जल्दी पानी मिल सके. So it is the time at 4 o'clock that they have to wake up early to arrange the water. And here again Nandita is telling us that in the village area they arrange water from the pond near the village or the rivers. So 1 or 2 kilometers they used to walk and get the water. And here the street, the next point that has been discussed, what about the toilet. Toilet is also only one toilet is there for too many houses, and it is also the end of the street for toilet. It is not at all clean. And here Nandita is sharing that in village they go to the toilet to the open areas, and few are having their own toilets also. Now here are few questions. Why did Nandita have to bring her mother from the village to Mumbai? Yes, of course, my children can answer, for the treatment, for the medical treatment. Nandita used to feel like vomiting when at first she had to use to the toilet where Mama lived. Why? Yes, because one toilet is using by many people. So it is not at all hygiene. It is very untidy. So Nandita felt vomited. In what ways did Nandita find her mama's house to be different from her house in the village? Yes, my children can answer this very well, that mama's house is shared by everything in one room. They are having the kitchen, they are having the bathroom, everything, the sleeping room in one room. While in the village, Nandita is having the cooking and for the bathing, for the living area, they are having the separate rooms. What difference did Nandita find between getting water from the public tap and in the village? Yes, for the public tap, they have to wake up at 4 o'clock to get collected the water in the water bins or water buckets. But in the village, they move to the pond areas to the village side. Was there electricity at the place where Nandita's mama lived? Guess. Now you have to guess. Yes, in big cities, electricity is a common thing. So mamas also must be having the electricity. I am sending you the answers of these questions. You please cover up your bookwork. Now the next thing, learning new things. So here we have to start a new paragraph. नंदिता ने कुछ नई चीज़ें लर्न की या सीखी. Every day I go to the hospital by bus to see my mother. So Nandita is explaining us or telling us कि hospital में चूँकि why the treatment was going on, so every day Nandita has to go to the hospital by bus. बस से जाना पड़ता था. At first I was too scared to get into such crowded buses. So the bus experience in Mumbai was really very much congested buses. सब बहुत ही भरी हुई होती है बेटा. And it was really very scary to get inside the bus also because they are the moving bus. They can't stop for more than hardly 1 or 2 minutes. So everybody has to get in with the moving bus. So at first Nandita was really very much scared and afraid of getting inside the bus because it's really very crowded and to catch the bus is also a big task for Nandita. But later on, by the time as move on, so she was quite familiar with all the things. I was not at all used to it. I was afraid, but now it is not like that. I know how to stand in line. Now she was getting in the form of catching the bus. She knows how to stand in line, how much to pay for the ticket, where to get down, how much she has to pay and usko kahan par utarna hai. She is all in used to. Where we stay, there is a tall building nearby. Now Nandita is telling us कि जहाँ पर वो लोग रहते हैं मामा के यहाँ, वहाँ near thereby they are having the tall building. एक बहुत ही ऊंची building है. My mommy works in 7 houses there. So the mommy, Nandita mommy, she used to work in that building and in 7 houses she used to do the work. She is a maid. She washes utensils and cleans the houses. And what the work of mommy is, that she has to wash the utensils and she has to clean the house. One day I went there with her. So the experience that Nandita had one day she was with her mommy. When I first saw the building, I thought it was one big house. So what Nandita is sharing with us, that at one glance जब उसने पहली बार बिल्डिंग को देखा तो she thought that this is a big house, एक बड़ा घर होगा. But later on she found that it was house for many people. उसमें तो बहुत से घर थे और बहुत से लोग रहते थे on top of the other, एक के ऊपर एक. And I was wondering how would climb so many stairs, but there was a lift to take people up and down. So children, it was apartment that Nandita was telling us. Apartments, there are houses, many houses, one on top of the other, and people used to live in one floors. And while reaching to the floors, the building is having a lift. So Nandita is also sharing us the experience of lift. It was like a big iron cage. नंदिता हमें बता रही है, she is sharing us कि जब वो लिफ्ट में एंटर कर रही थी या जब when she got inside the lift, what kind of a lift it was? It was a big iron cage. लोहे का एक स्क्वायर में बना हुआ केज था, पिंजरा था, with fans and lights and even a bell. And the lift is having the fan, the light and the bell. So many of us get into the lift. She is sharing us कि उस लिफ्ट में एक साथ बहुत से लोग आ रहे थे और बहुत से लोग उसमें बैठ जा रहे थे, खड़े हो जा रहे थे. Somebody pressed the button and lift went up quickly. किसको एक उसमें बटन को प्रेस करता था और लिफ्ट ऊपर चलने लगती थी. To tell you the truth, I was very scared in the beginning. So Nandita is sharing us her own experience that she was really scared. She gets scared when she was inside the lift. उसके लिए ये बहुत ही एक मैजिकल एक्सपीरियंस था कि हाँ, लिफ्ट बटन दबाने से एक लोहे का पिंजरा या केज जो है वो अपने आप ही ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है. So it was a very, very thrilling and exciting experience for Nandita. Now again here there are few questions. Do you know anyone who was admitted to the hospital? For how many days he or she is there in the hospital? Have you ever seen a tall building? These questions are for you all children, so you all can write your own experience. Now here is the another paragraph, another house. No, after sharing the experience of lift and apartments and big house, here Nandita is sharing a next topic with us, another house, दूसरा घर. Mommy took me first to Bablu's house. As you all know that already I have explained that Nandita Mami used to work in the 7 houses. So the very first house that she was taken by her mommy was Bablu's house. किसका घर था? बबलू का घर था. And the observation of Nandita here in the paragraph. His house was on the 12th floor. बबलू का हाउस कौन से फ्लोर पे था? 12th फ्लोर पे. What a big house! So many rooms, one to sit in, one to eat in, one to sleep in, and one to cook in. So in that floor, the apartment, Nandita observed that Bablu house is having everything separated. Sitting room, kitchen, sleeping, and of course the kitchen. Toilet too is there in the house. It took mommy a lot of time to clean Bablu's house. वो इतना बड़ा था कि मामी को बहुत सा समय, बहुत सा टाइम लग गया उसे क्लीन करने में. But she could work easily. But she wasn't used to of doing all these things, so she could work easily. And the next experience was really very, very good. There was a tap in the kitchen. Nandita observed that there was a tap in the kitchen and water flowed from it. और kitchen के tap से पानी गिर रहा था. Bablu put a bucket under the tap to fill water for his bath. And then Bablu अपने घर में नहाने के लिए उसने बकेट में पानी को फिल किया. एंड देन ही सैट डाउन टू वॉच टीवी एंड देन ही फॉरगॉट. सी हाउ what the thing the Nandita is facing in Mama's house and what the scene is there in Bablu's house. See, they woke up at 4 o'clock early in the morning. उनको 4 बजे पानी के लिए उठना पड़ता है, क्यू लगानी पड़ती है, लाइन लगानी पड़ती है और फिर पानी को स्टोर करना पड़ता है. And here in Bablu's house, what good facility is available that the tap is coming, that the water is coming in the kitchen also. Bablu is having the water for bathing also and he is filling the tub for a bath. And then he forgot and he sat down to watch TV and here so much water was wasted. So Nandita observed, see, somewhere the water has been wasted and somewhere we are making line to get this water. I did not like it. I went and closed the tap. So Nandita Doshi and her mama's family are facing so much of problem. So Nandita is children knowing the value of water. So there is a message also behind this paragraph that we should always see water is precious. If by the grace of God and we are blessed to have the running tap inside our houses, so it is not our duty to waste that water. Okay, always be careful that after using it you have to close all the taps. Okay, So my children are very good. From now on, they are not forget to close the tap. Bablu house had big glass window. And what next Bablu house is having? The glass window. शीशे की एक बड़ी सी खिड़की. Mommy told me to look down from the window. Now here is a thrill. मामी ने कहा इस विंडो से नीचे देखो. I could see Mama street and the houses. वहाँ से मुझे मामा की स्ट्रीट, गली और उनका घर नज़र आ रहा था. But I could not make out which was his house. But वो इतने छोटे छोटे नज़र आ रहे थे कि बस मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा था कि इसमें who is Mama's house. From up there, everything below looked like small toys. ऊपर 12th फ्लोर की बिल्डिंग से नीचे देखने में मुझे सब कुछ छोटे छोटे बिल्कुल खिलौनों के जैसे, टॉयज़ के जैसे दिख रहे थे. I was quite afraid to look down from such a height. And here again Nandita was really very much afraid looking down from so much of height. So this is in this paragraph that Nandita has observed that the water is all full-fledged in the buildings and the apartments, and they are having a very nice view from their houses. They are having very nice house with everything separated, and here Nandita at the other side, Nandita and the Mama's family and many more slum areas are facing the problems of the toilets and the water. Now here the question for us, when Nandita first came to Mumbai, what were the things that she was afraid to do? उसे कौन कौन सी चीज़ों से डर लगता था when she first came to Mumbai? Yes, we can discuss, we can write. The very first thing that when she saw the crowded platform, she was scared. She was scared of getting inside the bus. She was getting scared inside getting the lift and many more things. So I'll be sending you the answer. The next question we can discuss, children. What were the difference between the houses where Mama lived and the houses in the high-rise building? The first blue line is for the house in area where Mama lived and house in a high-rise building. So we have to make a contrast. We have to write the difference between both the houses. My children can write very well. Okay, difference, the toilet problem, they are not facing the toilet problem. The water is there, the water is not there. Okay, so this way we are going to complete this answers. Discuss why there were difference. Yes, already we have discussed, children. So this is all in this video for today's class. Later on in the next video we will see the last part of this chapter. Okay, I'll be sending you the answers also, the book work. You can finish your book work. Okay, children, till then be happy and be safe.